Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You must use a child theme to edit the copyright section safely. This preserves your edits when the parent theme receives updates. Editing the parent theme directly risks losing customizations after an update. A child theme inherits styles and templates from the parent theme. It lets you override footer, PHP, and functions, PHP without altering parent files. Backups remain useful, but a child theme avoids repeated rework after each update. Create a folder named Your Theme Child in WP Content/Themes using FTP or File Manager. Add a style. CSS that includes theme name and template, your theme on the header. Add a functions. PHP that enqueues the parent stylesheet properly using WP enqueue style. Zip and upload or use FTP to place the child theme folder on the server. Activate your child theme from Appearance Themes in Wordpress. Copy footer, PHP from the parent theme into your child theme folder using FTP. Open the child footer, PHP, and locate the copyright line or function call for copyright output. Replace or modify the HTML and safe PHP output to show your desired text, links, and year using PHP date. Wise. Avoid editing core parent files directly to prevent future loss. Test changes on a staging site before deploying to production to ensure compatibility and correct styling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.